So I'm going to give you a little walkthrough of our Victoria theme, and this is what it looks like. So it's just going to be a little introduction, and can't make that any smaller, so I'm just going to make sure it's gone. Okay, here we go. So this is the home. Once you purchase this theme and you install it and you opt for importing all of the demo content. So this is what it's going to look like. It's going to install all these images and pages, etc. I made it for a financial coach, but it can easily be made for any type of agency or professional provider. Financial coach, so you can, this is the hero image. This is what you see when you first visit the page. So this is just a quick introduction of just some services that you want to highlight, comprehensive plans, retirement planning, and these images are all editable. You can change those. And introduction, where you can just say a little bit more about your services, about yourself, about your agency. A little bit down, and here is an opt-in form that you can use and submit. So this is going to collect client emails for you. Financial future begins here. So this is just a breakdown, latest posts, and you can just sections that these are in, and this is to go to the blog page, of course. So, and with the rest of the articles. So this is your footer, and this is where you're going to see some of the pages and options, your social media links. You can add your address, because I know with legal and financial services, it's good to have as much transparency as possible. Clients have questions, they can send them here. And then let's go back to the top. So that's your home. So then this is the second page that I wanted to show you, the About page. So About page has a similar hero image section where you can just give a brief introduction. You can change out this image, a little bit more about how to contact you and book with you, a breakdown of your offers and places where they can select to hire you or learn more. Here's some more. And here is another contact or freebie section you can use, or a way they can hire you. Okay, so that was the About page. And then for your team, you can just introduce everybody that works. Here's a you, just some headlines and brief introductions. And then you can add more sections or add more team members. Okay, and this is just an area where you can add testimonials. Here you can highlight one of your favorite customers and just some headline areas. Call to action, where you can let them know how to work with you, and again, on them. And then how to contact you. So here's just, this is usually a simple page because it's mainly supposed to function as a contact form. And then your services, you want to have that. So here's a page where you can showcase what you do and how your clients can hire you. So work with me, they can use this link. They can schedule a call. So this is important, call to action. And here's a breakdown of some services and tiers that you can add, which are also important. Just a breakdown of your packages that they can work with you and use what you offer. So here are some smaller sections which you can use to add some a la carte or additional services. And these are just small sections, but with options to book a call or to hire you or purchase. And here's some more blog post areas. Another call to action, another section for them to contact you. Okay, so those are your services. And then let's take a look at your blog. So here you can add some blog posts, and if you opt for including the sample blog post, it's going to add these, and then you could just go in and edit each one and make that your own for your own business. We can take a look at one of these just to see what is inside. So this is what it looks like when they contact you, and these are just the sections that they would find you under or find this blog post under. This is just an example. Okay, so let's go back. Look at the last part, which is your shop. So this is WooCommerce ready. So if you have any products or services that you are selling online with WooCommerce, this is going to be equipped for that. And it's going to give you options to add them, sections where you can just add them, your clients can add them to their carts. Okay, there we go. And you can resize these images if they're too large, but generally I like to show them bigger so you can see what is possible in your social media. This is what some people use. Linktree is an example of another one. So instead of using that, you can always have just a social links page, which is a very simple page with mostly the important links that you want to show. So this is what it looks like. So if they click on the link for this, social links in your Facebook or Instagram, anywhere, this is where they're going to end up. And here are sections where you can meet the team, and something must have made these titles the same color as the button. So we will need to fix that. But for now, this is what it looks like. So it's very simple because you want it to be easy to load, fast, and not show too much, because most people are going to be seeing this from their mobile device, and you want them to have a simple thing to do, not very complicated. So there's that. And then this is where you're going to have things. Once you have items added to your cart, you're going to show the number of items there. And then here's where you can search for things if you want to look for. It's going to show you everything that has that in your website. So there's that. So let's go back home. And you will get this with your normal purchase because it's in the sample or the demo. But you can always go in here and change this button, and instead of making it Purchase Victoria, you can book a call, schedule an appointment, give us a call, anything like that. So we can select this, and this is where it takes you to your home page. So this is our Victoria page, or our Victoria website. And this is what it's going to look like when you just install it. Out of the gate, this is what it looks like. Okay, so I have the testimonials, which are not going to be up here since they're not really necessary, but they are in your footer. So from our clients, and here's where you can add testimonials, social proof, anything like that. And then another call to action, because this is a good place to also remind them that they can also get these results by contacting you here. And then a little bit more about your products. And that is the Victoria theme.